Yes. We'll start now. I don't know. I'm always telling you not to enter through anybody else's ID. Okay, now let's see what we are going to do. Don't open your classwork because that will disturb you. Let's see about the division. Yesterday I gave you some sums. You have done that. Let's see this now. Now don't write now. Don't write. I will tell you. Divide the following. That means I will tell you when to write. Don't write now. Okay, children? You have to divide 10 by 2. Explanation is given down. Listen now. Say, what should you do? Let me ask one child. Effie, can you tell me? Only I'll ask one child. Then I will explain. Effie, can you tell me if a sum is given like this, what should I do?
Ma'am?
Yes. It's already written there, but still. If you don't know, otherwise ma'am will explain.
Ma'am, what page is it? Ma'am, 5 2 are
No,
5.
okay, 1 minute. No, 1 minute. 1 minute.
5
Correct.
2 are 10.
Effie, turn off your mic. Now, somebody asked what page number. Let me know who's that. Don't worry about page number. Okay. When you enter the class after 9:45, 9:59, 55, 11, 10 o'clock and all, please don't ask anything. Just go through it. Don't write anything. Now, Effie, that's right. You got 5 2s are 10. Now, explanation is given down. Say the table of 2 till you reach 10. We get 5 2s are 10. This is the number. This is the table. Look here. Say the table. 5 2s are. Say the table of 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 5. 5 2s are 10. Then the answer is 5. It will be written as 10 divided by 2 equals 5. It will be read as 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Okay, this is the way you have to do. Don't write anything. We can write the next one. This is just to explain to you. 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. You have to say the table of 2 till you reach the first number. Okay. Table of 2 till you reach this. Then you have to write the answer. That explanation only is given. If you want to write it, you can write it later, not now. Now, divide the following. You start in your classwork note. Roman number 1. Divide the following. Divide. Please start in your classwork note. Write today's date. Divide the following. Please write. That's classwork. You can write CW, otherwise you will make mistake. And leave one line and write A to D. A to D. Leave one line. Write A to D. Only the questions.
Karena menurut permohonan kuasa mengingat akan dulu akan
ಈ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಜೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ഇതില് có tỷ lệ là anh thì mà được một cái ra về
Now, write only the questions. I will tell you what you have to do. Okay. Please write. John, did you write all the questions leaving 1 square?
Oh, wow.
Now, listen. When you complete, you just put the symbol properly. In each square you have to write. Alan, can you just show me the notebook what you're doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Each square, okay, each square. Each square you have to write the number, the symbol and all that. Let me see. Very good. Yes, very good, Alan. I know all are doing it. Lokesh? Good. Good, Alan. Everybody, I will ask you later. Did you copy all the questions? Slowly, neatly. Kushagra, how are you, Kushagra? Kushagra?
Fine, ma'am, fine.
Okay. Take care of your health, okay? Kanira, show me your notebook.
Thank you, ma'am.
Each square you have to write. Each square. Yes, Kanira. Yes. Kanira is not showing. Let it be. Okay. Okay, take care. Because when you're sick, you won't be able to attend class. Yes, Kanira, show me that. Okay, Kanira, because some problem there in the system. Now I'll tell you how you have to do it. Okay, how you have to do it. We'll just see now. 1 minute. In between, ma'am will forget, okay? Ma'am will forget I'm in class. Suddenly, okay, Jemima.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have you written the question?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, now please don't write the answers because you must be knowing, but I'll tell you how to do it easily.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. Now, let's see how we are going to do. I'm coming back to the screen. First one is 12 divided by 3. Jemima, can you tell me what should I do there? Which table should I say?
Ma'am, the 3 times table, ma'am.
Yeah, till you get 12, you tell the table. Tell 3 table. 1 3 is 3.
1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. Ma'am, 4 3s are 12, ma'am.
Very good. Write the answer. You say the table in the middle, say the answers. Okay, you say the table in the middle, say the answers. Is it correct? Yes, it is right. 4 3s are 12. See here? 4 3s are 12. Now next one. Next one. 1 minute. Jemima finished telling me. I'm coming back to Arush. Arush, can you tell me the next one, Arush? I have to go according to the roll number. Jemima, 1 minute. Let me put mark for her. Yes, Jemima, maths. Yes, Arush, are you there? Arush? Okay, Arush is not there. The next person is Akhil. What happened? Akhil, please tell me next one how to do. 9 divided by 3. Say the table of 3 till you get 9. 9.
3.
3 3. How did you get it, Akhil? You tell me the table of 3. 1, 3 is
9 divided.
No. Excuse me. You say the table of 3 now. I want you to tell me the table of 3. Say, Akhil, 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6.
1 3s are 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9.
Stop.
4
Stop,
3s
stop.
are 12. 5 3s are
Stop.
15.
Listen. When you reach this number, you have to stop. That's what I'm telling. Listen, pay attention in class. When you start telling the table of 3 here, when you reach 9, you have to stop. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Children, I am explaining to everybody. So the next person must follow that. Okay, after Akhil, good Akhil. After Akhil, now Alan. Alan's turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell how to get the answer for 16 divided by 4.
Yes, ma'am. We should follow the table of 4.
Very
4
good.
1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. So, 16
Now listen up.
divided 4.
No, you read 16. See, I was explaining to Akhil the same thing. When you reach this number, you have to stop. Say once again. 4 1. Say.
4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16.
Stop. This is the way you have to do this sum division. Okay, we are not doing long division or short division. We are just telling the table. So there is a connection between multiplication and division. Okay, good, Alan. Next child is Akhilan. Akhilan, hurry up, Akhilan. I'll have to ask the other children. Akhilan,
Yes,
8
ma'am.
divided by 2. Which table should I say? Hurry up, hurry up. Akhilan. See, children, when you are not present, very hard for me. Okay. Akhilan is not there. I'm coming back to B. Rida. Rida, it's your turn, Rida. Rida.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
8 divide. Listen to me carefully. Don't be doing this and that. 8 divided by 2. Tell me the table. Which table you have to say?
2.
Say the table of 2 till you get
2 table,
8.
ma'am.
When you get 8 answers, stop it. Come on, start. Say the table of 2, Rida.
2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4.
2 3s are?
Okay. 1s are 2. 2
Rida,
2
please.
3s are 6. 2 4s are 8.
Stop. Stop. Rida, when you speak, you have to speak loud. Everybody must hear. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
good girl. Good girl. So answer is 4.
Okay, ma'am.
That 8. Now,
I'll
Rida,
see the table, ma'am.
now listen, don't talk after that. I said good, turn off your mic. That's all. No need to talk this and that. Okay, good girl. Now next one. I'm going to the next one. You have to copy the questions. Where is Riha Jas? Riha. Okay, I'll inform in the office. I cannot find Riha. Listen, Riha, are you there? No. Now we are going to the next one. I don't know why these children are not attending. Come on now. Continue. Please write the questions. Continue. Continue in the same page. If no place, go to the next one. Copy the questions. Copy neatly all these sums. You got enough and more time. And those who know how to do, you can say the table and write. Now listen. अच्छा या Yes, I just want you to complete, then I will ask one by one, okay? Now, by the time others complete, let me ask 11. After Rida, Riha, I don't know. Children, if you know about Riha, just tell her to attend the class. Otherwise, I'll inform in the office, okay? Sanveer, can you tell me how to do 15 divided by 5? 15 divided by 5.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am? 3, ma'am.
I'm asking Sanvi. Explain to me. Explain to me, Sanvi. Yeah.
3, ma'am.
No, I'm not asking the answer, Sanvi. How to get 3? How did you get? I'm explaining. No, you just say that.
5.
Which table should I say? Which table?
3 tables.
No. 15 divided by 5. Look. 5. Which table you have to say?
5 tables.
Yeah, you know the answer, but still. Now say the table of 5. When you reach 15, you have to stop. Tell. 1, 5. 5 ones. Come on, tell.
10, 15.
Okay, you are doing like that. So I'm just telling 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Very good, Sanvi. And you can do any method to get the answer. 3. Now, Sanvi, very good. You can use any method without telling the table itself. You can get, but I just want you to explain to me. Okay. Sona. Sona, girl. So now, can you explain to me 12 divided by 4, how to get the answer? Come on. Which table should I say, Sona? 12 divided by 4. Louder, louder. No, there is a disturbance over there. Sona, table of what?
4.
4. Say the table of 4 till you get 12. Come on.
4 ones are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12.
4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Very good. $18 divided by 2. Now listen. Next person is Tangaratnam. Tell me. $18 divided by 2. Listen. 18 divided by 2. 18. Yes, Tangaratnam, tell the table of 2. What is the answer? How many 2s are 18?
9 2s are 18.
Very good. Because you have to say the big table I told. Very good, Tangaratnam. Very good. Now, next one is Veerthi. Veerthi, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell the next one. How many 4s are 24? If you know the answer, tell me. How many 4s are 24? Say the table of 4.
6, ma'am.
Very good. Now, children, after doing 8 or 7 sums, you know the answer how to do it. Please copy first. There is a big thing you have to do, and that's very easy. So please do it fast. Now, Veerthi finished. Now, next one I will tell you because I don't want you to confuse. Let me see the time.
Ma'am, I'm Kanira, ma'am. I finished all.
Okay, now please don't say anything. Please don't say anything, okay? I don't want. If anyone turns on your mic, I won't tell you. I will minus 2 marks from all the internals, okay? Now, I'm going to the next one. Take a new page. Everybody, if you have place also, take a new page. See there? Don't write the heading. Don't write the heading now. Write the multiplication facts for the given division. Don't write. Each column, serial numbers, it's not necessary for you to write. That should be in the margin. Okay, in the margin. Then copy in each column 10 divided by all the questions. Okay, children, I'll tell you. Copy the question. First question you copy, draw a line. Copy only the questions, children. I'll tell you what you have to do. One I will tell you. See, it is only nothing to learn by heart. You look at the screen and do it. Please write 1 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square. Write this. Sixth one, you draw the line. Then no more lines.
Excuse me.
Now listen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
First of all, you listen, please. Write division. Take the first column. After the margin, write division. Copy these questions. These questions must come. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. So within 5 columns, you have to write division. 5 columns you take, write division. Draw a line. Write multiplication fact from the next column till the end. I'll tell you the first one, then you will know how to do it. Don't waste in
This right?
Children, please turn off your mic. Write the heading division. Take 5 columns and write the heading division. Everybody. Sanvi, did you write? 5 columns from the margin. Take and draw one line and write division there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next onwards, write multiplication fact fully. I will show you how you have to write. No asking questions. See there? This is the answer. Okay. Here, children, only look here. 2 into 5. See here? 2 5s are 10. First you must write. Then, next one. 5 2s are 10. This is the way you have to write. You have to write, even if it was in your, class, I should have explained to you on the blackboard. See here, 2 5s are 10. Then the next one, 5 2s are 10. Same way. See here, 5 3s are 15. 3 5s are 15. This is the way you have to do. Only look at the division and do this. Okay. Only look. So what you have to do, first you copy.
Ma'am, should we write both?
I don't know what to do with this. Sona, did you ask that question? No. Who asked, should I write the both? Who's this? Tell me, ma. Juansri, what is your doubt?
Should we write both 2 and 2?
Yes, Juansri, please don't confuse anybody. When you ask question, all other children are turning on the mic. You just copy. I will show you. Just copy this now. First one you copy. Second one you copy. Third one you copy. Only looking at this, you are writing the multiplication facts. 2, see here, into 5 equals 10. Then 5 into 2 equals 10. Just learn this. It's not to learn by heart. Look at the division fact and write the multiplication facts. Only write the first one. If you know, you can continue. I will start this again tomorrow. Once again, I'll explain to you. Okay, only write all the questions. Write only once this. Anyway, I'll send this recording. You can copy it. I will explain to you tomorrow once again. Here, 2 5s are 10. Draw one line. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. Same thing. 3 5s. Same thing we are repeating. You can just copy it. If you haven't completed, don't worry. The question should be there. Okay, children? Now I'm stopping it. We'll do it again tomorrow. I'm stopping the class. If you want to do, you can go to the recording, or we will do it tomorrow once again. Don't get worried about